Hello guys, so once again I am going to show you how to claim back your profit or your reward or bonus. Okay, some people call it profit, reward or bonus in this new Bitcoin mining platform. So usually you do this every 4 hours. As you can see, this has just completed the 4 hours cycle and it started another 4 hours. Okay, so this is the block number, okay, of the current cycle or the current mining cycle. So I am going to go, usually what you do when you log in, if you are using a mobile phone or if you are using a computer, it's the same thing. If you are using a mobile phone, just look at your top right corner, you will see 3 lines, click on it, and then you will see all your menu bars here. Okay, so if you click on claim wallet, you will see that it has highlighted to green after it has completed the 4-hour cycle of mining, and you will see the amount of the FNBTC that has been refunded. Okay, so this is 1.644 that has been refunded, and this is your participation bonus. Okay, so this is your bonus of FNBTC and from participating in non-winning pool. Okay, and you see the note they put here. They said your participation bonus is automatically added to your total claimable refund. There is no need to claim it separately. It will be included when you claim your fuel refund. And then below this is your FNBTC bonus amount from winning your pool. So this is amount that has been won, which is your profit for mining for this particular block. Okay, so I am going to click claim refund, and then it's going to ask me to confirm. Okay, so I'll confirm that with my Power wallet. That is what I'm using. Remember, you can use Trust Wallet, you can use MetaMask wallet, or you can use Bitgate wallet, as long as those wallets are on the BSC network, which is BNB Smart Chain Network. So I'm going to claim the second one. Okay, so this is how to claim your profit, just so you know, and it will process through the blockchain. So once you have completed claiming your bonus, you can go to your wallet and check the money that you have, or you can go to your MetaMask wallet, or you can go to your token pocket. Okay, so I will just head to my token pocket, and you should see your FNBTC there. So you can see that this is 1.66 FNBTC. Okay, so here you can swap your FNBTC to USDT and withdraw it to any wallet you want, or use it for anything you want. Okay, but in this instance, I am going to manually reinvest this 1.66 FNBTC to enable me to continue to mine. Okay, so now what I will then do is I will click on mine, and I will scroll down here and select split fuel, and then type in the amount I have now. So you can see that I have available FNBTC balance 1.662. So I'm going to enter 1.661. Now remember always to leave 0.001 on your FNBTC balance. Okay, and then you select the pools. So select this one, select all the pools up to pool 9, okay, or 10, because it starts from 0. So select all the 10 pools, and then you click approve and mine. Okay, it's going to ask you to confirm it on your wallet. So click to confirm, and then you allow it to approve successful, and then you click mine now, and then you click confirm again. Okay, from your wallet, and then you will see where it says you have already mined in this block. Please wait for the next block to become eligible again. So this will run for the next 4 hours. Okay, although I started this at 3 hours 21 minutes, but it's every 4 hours that you mine. So please, if you are in this platform, remember to check the remaining hours, okay, from from the day you started mining or the time you started mining, so that you will know when to do the next block. Okay, now if you miss one block, that is fine. You can continue with the next following block that you are going to join. Okay, so if you go to history, you will be able to see all the ones that you have done in the past, all your blocks. So if you had missed any block, you will see that the blocks will show here if you have missed it. So far, this account has not missed any block. You can see 1697, 1698, 1699, 700, 701, up to 706. So this is the current block. Okay, if I go back to mine, you will see that the current block is 1706. So that is the one that I just finished doing just now. So you do this every 4 hours and you will be able to earn, if you complete it, is 6 times in a day. Okay, if you do 4 hours times 6, that will bring you to 6 mining cycles in a day. That should give you between 10 and 15 percentage profit on a daily basis. Okay, so this is how you perform your daily mining every 4 hours, guys. Right? So if you would like to join my platform, I have done step-by-step video and I've written step-by-step instructions on how to get this started. If you follow it on the video description below, that will make you join this platform. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.